Wagwan, my lovely taquitos, welcome back to my channel. I want to thank you for your support thus far, and if you're just joining me, hello there. What are you waiting for? Go ahead, hit that subscribe button if free. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, don't be shy, and most importantly, share with all of your wonderful friends and your good up friends them, because God love when you share.
Welcome back to my channel, guys, and if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. I really hope you stick around. If you like this video, remember to give me a thumbs up, share, leave a comment, and most importantly, do subscribe. Now today I'll be showing you how I made this easy shrimp and sausage fried rice, so just stick around to see just how this was made, and you can also check the description for the list of ingredients. Now let's begin. And that is all she wrote, guys. Remember to give me a thumbs up if you like this one, and leave a comment, share with all your wonderful friends, and most importantly, subscribe. And I'll definitely see you in the next one. Bye bye.